Hello everyone, namaste. I'm back again. Today I'm going to show you three asanas which are especially for ladies. We all go through monthly period which is normally for 4 days or 5 days, and for each one of us the experience is different, isn't it? Sometimes we have pain in our tummy or lower back pain, or you may feel a bit tiredness. There are so many different things. Sometimes few ladies are absolutely perfect, no pain whatsoever. So I would like to tell you this thing, that having a monthly period for 4 days, it's not something like what I can say, it's like not a disease, or not something which is not so good thing. This is natural, it has to happen, and that is the way body works. And that won't prevent us, and that should not prevent us to do any exercise whichever we want to do. And fortunately, we can do yoga. There are so many exercises which you can do in this regular periods in 4 5 days time. Obviously this is the time when we feel a bit tired, and it's okay to take rest as well. But to have a good flow, like not too heavy, not too low, so good flow, and to relieve pain, few exercises should be done. It's not compulsory though, but if you want, really this will benefit you. So today I'm going to show you three exercises. The first one is Baddha Konasana, the second one is Paschimottanasana, and the third one is Balasana. You just need to invest your 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. And believe me, it really works. If you haven't done any exercise or any yoga till now, in especially in those 4 days, then try to do this time, and I'm sure you will definitely feel the difference. Okay, we'll start with Baddha Konasana. So the first thing is, you are sitting straight, back straight, your both feet together. Okay, so right now you could see my legs are quite parallel to the floor or touching to the floor. For you it may be here, that is absolutely okay. And what we are going to do is, you are going to clasp your fingers, keep it underneath the feet. So basically you are holding it. Okay, and if your feet are here, then just try to push it down. If it's coming till here, not more than that, that's fine. Again the movement is knees up and down, knees up and down. Okay, you can set the timer, and you can do it for let's say 2 3 minutes. Ideally 2 minutes are enough. If you are doing this for the first time, then you don't need to set the timer, just count yourself for 20 times also, or just listen to your body. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is really good for good flow, and at the same time it relieves pain, wherever it is, whether it is a tummy area or your lower back. You will really feel the difference after doing these exercises. So this is the first asana, which is called Baddha Konasana. The second one is Paschimottanasana. So from this pose, knees together and both knees straight on the floor, and do not stretch your body a lot. I always say listen to your body. Okay, so what you're going to do is, obviously sitting straight, and then as you start your exhalation, then start moving or bending forward. Make sure when you are bending forward, do not curve your back. Let the back be straight, and then start exhalation and start going down. If you can go till this much, that is absolutely okay. Okay, but that stretch to lower back is very important. And again inhale, back straight. Again exhale. Next time just try a little bit harder to go down. And again inhale, sit straight. Next exhalation, again try to go a bit far, a bit more than before. And then again inhale, sit straight. Again next time, exhale, just try to go a bit more than before. And then inhale, sit straight. Okay, you can do this for 5 to 10 times. And again, listen to your body. If it is too much, just do it for 5 to 6 times and then relax. Okay, the next one is Balasana or child's pose. So if you know this asana, this is Vajrasana, which is the initial pose. So in Vajrasana, make sure your toes are relaxed and not tucked in. So this is relaxed toes and your buttocks on your heels. So this is the position. And again sit straight, back straight. And as you start your exhalation, you are going to bend forward. And if it is possible, try to touch your forehead to the floor. So one position is you can clasp your fingers and keep it behind and then bend forward. Or another position is your arms go straight and then touch your forehead to the floor. And once you are in that position, Balasana or child's pose, in that position again, breathe. Do not hold your breath. And then again, come back to the beginning position and sit straight. So these are 3 asanas which are really beneficial in these 4-5 days. So do it, at least invest 5 to 10 minutes and try to do it every day, every month. And even you have even if there is no period after that 4-5 days, even you can continue with this asana, which will be really great. Okay, so these asanas are not just doing in the time of periods, monthly period, but after that and before that as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and try to do these asanas and keep yourself fit, fine and healthy. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.